Hi everyone, I am Fatin, your peer coach. Nice to meet all of you. Today, our topic is about effective learning with Microsoft. So, we are going to learn more about the Microsoft PowerPoint Enhanced Kit. Basically, do you know how to use Microsoft PowerPoint? If yes, that's very cool. But if no, later on we will go deep about the Microsoft PowerPoint Enhanced Learning. Let's go to the next. Benefit by using the Microsoft PowerPoint Enhanced Learning. Okay, the first is the Microsoft PowerPoint Enhanced Learning can present facts filled with the graph and charts for easy understanding. And then the second one is by using a Microsoft PowerPoint, easy for us to import the text, graph, and image from other Microsoft applications. Then the third one is Microsoft PowerPoint is easy use and also more attractive to gain audience attention, especially about the presentation. And then the last is about the enhanced presentation method with the easy visualize. So as you can see, Microsoft PowerPoint is easy and suitable for all the people that want to do the slide presentation and slide presentation. And then I really hope that this training will help you to improvise your Microsoft PowerPoint learning skill to become a more enhanced level. Thank you. Okay, next we will start with first we open the PowerPoint. And then when we open the PowerPoint, we can see here there are blank presentation, brush presentation. There are a lot of themes that you can use for your presentation. Okay, if you want to create your own theme or your own design, you can click for the blank presentation. But if you don't have any idea for your design, you can see at the more themes. There are lots of themes that you can choose to your presentation. For example, they have a presentation themes, there are business theme, and also infographic. So you can decide whether you want to use the themes that already provided by the Microsoft PowerPoint, or also you can design your own design for your presentation. So for this presentation, I will choose for the brush presentation. So I will use the brush presentation. Why I choose this presentation? This is more interesting and related to my training today. Okay, now as you can see, this is the page of Microsoft PowerPoint. So there are a lot of button feeders that I can introduce to you. First, file, home, insert, design, transition, which is the transition one you can use for the slide presentation to make your presentation slide become more effective and interactive. Animation you can do for the picture or anything that you add inside your presentation slide. Slideshow, review, view. Okay, that's all for the button feeders inside the Microsoft PowerPoint. So first of all, okay, so there are a lot theme font that you can choose based on your like. So for this, I choose for the elephants, and then you also can change for the size, either the bigger, become bigger, or you want to small. Okay. So what I want to do is I want to change the title become the arts and culture. art and the culture. Okay, and then you can highlight your font. You can change for the color that you want, that you like. Okay, for me, I will choose for the purple one because I like the purple color. I want to do what the interesting about the PowerPoint. So I want to show you there are 3 models that we can add inside our slide presentation PowerPoint. So I choose for camera. Then I choose this camera and then click the insert one. So wait. Okay. Basically, you can see this 3D model. So there are a lot of view that you can choose. For example, you can choose this view, left view, or you can choose the top view. You can choose the back view. You can choose the right view, and also you can choose the bottom one. I want to choose the default view, which is the overall, the front view. So, besides we can choose our views, we can also make or make the image 3D like this. And by press, and then we can explore and more area that we want to put. So I want to put this area, and then I make the picture become the smallest, and then I rearrange the title become the center one. Okay, now I will insert the picture from my device. So I have a one Sri Lanka image, and then I put here. Okay, and then this image I will change the picture style. So there are a lot of picture format or picture style that you can choose, and then I like to choose this one, rotate and wipe, so they look more like a postcard. So it's going to look more beautiful. Okay, after I finish the design for the first slide, okay, let me show you. We want to do the transition. Okay, transition. Okay, transition mean for the slide, for overall slide. So I want to choose the reveal. Okay, so we can also add the sound if you want, and then we can adjust the duration of the slide. So I will increase the duration to the part. Okay, and then this is transition is all about the one slide transition. Okay, how about the picture? Okay, how about the picture? Then the picture we go to for the animation, and then we click for the picture, and then there are a lot of animation that we can use. For example, for the aeroplane, I will use a pair, and then I will use pair. And then for the camera one, there are a lot of animation, and then I will choose the jump and turn. Okay, and then for the postcard Sri Lanka, I will use the split one. Okay, for the title also, we can choose the animation for the title. I use the bounce one. Okay, the last one is for presenter name. I will choose for the feed. Okay, and then we can preview back our slide animation. Click preview and see. Okay, but I think the aeroplane one appear is not so good, not so interesting. So I will change to random bar. Okay, so we can preview back to see again our animation at the slide. Wow, so cool. So if you want to change the sequence of the sequence for the animation, you can click for animation panel. There are lists for the animation. For example, for picture 15, and then 3D model. This is second picture for camera, and then for the first is picture 15. You also can rename. You can also remove, and also can set the timing, and also can change for the effect option. So this is a simple but interesting about the Microsoft presentation. Later on during class, I will explain more about the Microsoft PowerPoint Enhanced Learning. See you soon. Goodbye. Thank you.